animals when they come here. If they chop all these children body here na bush, we no go fit stay here. May we.
Hello my people, how una dey? Also na dey fine. This video wey una just watch, so I go put am for una make una listen to wetin this lady talk. This lady say she fit dey Germany, so from Germany she come back to Italy, and she get 3 pikin and e get belle. Una know say na so dem dey do am na. Dem no dey see papa, nothing. So according to this video wey this say she do, e say dem come give dem government house. So the government house wey dem give dem, e come like e dey for companion. I know wetin be companion, and that is outside the town. E go be like say na village, you understand? Na dem come give am 2 rooms and 2 toilets. E say na the house be, na dem give am. So from there she come dey tell dem say, I just dey try to cut the video. Me I just cut am fast. E come dey tell dem say where they put them now, so the pikin body get wetin dey come out, all those things gbogbo make dem change the house. He said they first tell them say they will change the house for them, so later they come tell them say make dem just dey there, no need of changing of the house. My sister, you see this video where you do, be very careful. Na Italy you dey. Italy na the #1 country where be say that they collect pikin. If you stress them too much, they will collect that 3 pikin for your hands. But you get 3 pikin, 1 you still get another belle again. Now then they pay your house rent. Now they give you house where you dey stay. You even dey complain say the house where they give you say e dey for companion, this one, the other one. He call them. He said to the extent they can't call ambulance. And maybe na doctor they call, make they go control those children. Wetin they do those children. Later, if they collect that pikin, no cry come out o, because me I no know the way some of una take dey do. Now no dey pay house rent. Now no dey pay anything. They give you house, e no reach. You see they disturb them. Not be they give you belle. Not be they give you belle. But they give you house, 2 rooms and toilets. May you dey. And not be say maybe if you I still see the video where be say show na companion. Even na even good for children to play. If you play without you not go dey fear. Say car go come this side or the other one. Why not they do like this? After when they, because when they know say you get belle, they go from there enter you. Say because you get belle now stress and they worry you. Before you know, they'll come tell you say those children they want they help you, they take them go so place, they go collect them for your hand. Don't cry come out because if they do something for una know they appreciate, maybe do not problem. If you know say there you not like her or you find money now, go rent house. May you see as it be. Only you one with 2 children, they give you 2 rooms and 2 toilets. You see they complain. If you know say something they bite your children, this one the other one, buy net. You know what it be net whether they put for window, put them so that mosquito not go they enter, so that insects go not go they enter. And everything they go they tell you now. You don't know how they tell you. You know how much to pay house rent? You don't know. Why una be like this? Ungrateful people everywhere. You know if you still buy net, may you put for window. May you try to they wash that area where. Companion get hair, the hair where they come for companion, a very nice one, fresh one. Because why? No car, no boy where they move this smoke, you know they. I don't know the way well not they do. Now they call some way be say they know they like to they give help to other people. You see their own people, they know they help them. Their own Italian people, they know they help them. So and they can't give you now which one you want to try to the paint. Then they come make them come help you finish. Say you they need to, they say you want help, they will give you. They know the way where they will take turn now. Because you see, say they do good for you now, you not like them. They will turn the help to another thing. They will help you collect those children. They want go say you say their skin not they okay. Because if you see your own skin self, you know even they okay. You know even they okay, not be only the children. So why you not try to maintain? You want make they even come they bag the children for you, or make they come see buy cream for you, make they rub them. I mean, you don't know, say you're supposed to put net for the window if net not there. I don't know the way some of una take they behave. Me, I put this video, my people. As I see this video, I was like, what did they worry most of una? Italy, they collect children. They call them, my sister, they call them. Tomorrow, tell them, say mosquito don't bite one for hand. And next tomorrow, call them, say mosquito don't bite the other one for leg. So that make them know, say your head did not come correct. They will carry that pikin for your hand. Before your head will say, like that, no. If they just give you, just leave them, make the day their day. Now, something where they important, now you go they call they put. Not be this nyama thing. Where you say you not fit go pharmacy. You want not fit go pharmacy, make you go buy what you go they put for the children, but they make mosquito not they chop them. No say spray the way you go put, so that mosquito not they near them. Una not know all these things. Anyway, make I put this video for now. Make una watch. I need to love and like and share this video, okay? Our people, wanna be careful. Wanna not block way for other people if they come, because they will say na so na be ungrateful.
My people, if you say you know the government house, or you know dey any social hand, you just dey on your own, you get better work when they bring money, better work when be say you dey work, you go if they fetch you money till they pay house rent, till they pay your bills. My brother, is very good. Why me they talk this one? If you dey as a house for Europe, for those of now when they Nigeria, when go they ask which one be as a house, government go they take care of you. Not be small suffer, not be you go they suffer. This video go be a bit long, but wanna just bear am. Not be small suffer, not be person they suffer. You can't wake up now see and say you dey government house. Now government they take care of you. Now social they take care of you. Not be small suffer you go dey. The stress, the anxiety when go follow and not be here. You can imagine now. Wanna ask tell me if na me find trouble, or maybe I don't know whether na me be troublesome person. For so long now, you know say I always they complain for my video say I know they feel hear word dog and fowl everything this one. I never talk and say the area when I dey na 3 houses dey oh. I never talk and say na snake they pursue person up and down oh. I never complain about that one about snake, because why I not talk something like that, because me no come be say go as in I too they complain too much. You understand? Every minute and seconds a day, snake when go come outside for here go past 10. Place here when we dey, no only 3 houses there, and now we be the 3rd one. The rest places na bush. You understand? So the rest places when you're there here, so na bush, and I go turn the camera and I go see everywhere. Okay, for this place now, even before we come here, it be like waiting person run leave abandoned house when they give us. Why they give us this place? Because we come from Germany. And they be, you see, now make you say sometimes I always advise people when they Germany, come back to Italy, come get your documents. Italy, in terms of documents, they are the best. You living in Germany no go give you 1 naira. Okay, we come back from Germany. So now then, truly, this I really appreciate before you go come, because I thought they see some comments when they talk say why am I complaining? Say I'm ungrateful somebody. I am not an ungrateful somebody. If you dey in my shoes, you will know what thing I they pass through. Okay, I really appreciate say they give us this house. This house now 2-bedroom flats, 2 bedroom, 2 toilets, big parlor, 3 big balcony. And the outside, you understand? Like this place now be like here na farmer they stay here, farmers. Okay, when we come here, if you see lots of animals, different things when we see for inside this house, we not even complain. Why? Because we don't even see where we want to stay. So then I can talk say, may we stay here for a while, they will change here for us. We can say okay. So 6 months come pass, 1 year come pass. These people they not change. They come they tell us now, they say now here now we want remain. And now, if you see all my children body, something don't chop all my children, but they know they feel sleep, they know they don't even feel drink water drop cup. All their body don't spoil. Like you know when these children when they Nigeria and I want to be saying something go chop all of them body. That's what my children body be. So I can't they try to explain, give them say all these things now because of say no houses here and na farmer now they stay here and na bush now be all these ones. The time me say now here we want stay, say they not get, say if we tire of the organization, may we come out. How come they try to beg them? They tell them, Abemona change this place for us. It not do okay for my children. See all my children's skin, all their skin does spoil. They can't say no. Okay, today now they bring they call ambulance come. They not even tell me say they call ambulance. I surprised say they come. They call ambulance come. They say may ambulance come check the skin of the children. The ambulance woman come now. He check the skin. He say nothing do them. Say they okay. Say they go bring 1 cream. Nothing. They say this one will be matter of cream. this house, all these different objects, different animals, when they come here, if they chop all these children body here in a bush, we no go fit stay here. May we come out. The woman here they shout, the ambulance woman say, make me sign, say he can control the children. That say, I beg, suffer, as the one come talk now, they say na frustration, say no, say only me they take care of 3 children and I still get belly. Mona ask me, Mona tell me, this one had all little frustration, my children's skin not dey okay. Mona help me. Okay, Mona carry out some more for this bush as una first talk am. Una come dey call na frustration. My sister Mona ask me, my brother sister, Mona tell me, I find trouble for this one, or how frustration take enter this one now. I dey complain about my children's skin. So she is saying, so if immigrants now they fight with Oyibo, or maybe they make problem with Oyibo, they'll say, see them, because Oyibo rescued them, that they say something like this one for Nigeria. They know they see. I really appreciate them, but you go come give us what is due to us. Because when I go Prefectura tell me, say, they go change this place for us. So immediately they talk to this our project people, everything just spoil. So make I turn this camera, because I don't want to make this video too long. So this house now, this one and the other one, not only those 2 be the house when they. So the rest of this place now bush. Now just as I did upstairs here, so I not fit go the other side. Maybe if I want to go the other side now, I need to open door. So you see, not only these 2 houses plus this our own. So the rest go, not only this our own be the last one. So go inside now, river and the bush, now be everything. Okay, just tell me now how me take find trouble, or how me take be bad person now if I react now, because the now make me they always they talk say Mona they if now go school, Mona with now they person country Mona they go school. I dey behind they hear this language today. These people for here or back for my hand, most especially this ambulance woman when just come here. Mona, let me know for the comment section whether I find trouble, or whether I talk bad thing, or whether this one don't lead to frustration now. Or what it can they frustrate my enemy for this one now. Change this house for us. All my children's skin not do okay. Mona, let me know.